My wife and I bought the cottage last year and everything was pretty nice except the deck was beat up. It had to be replaced, and on the lakeside there was just a small room with no closet. We contacted Renaissance Exteriors and Remodeling, who we've done some other projects with at our home. They came out, took a look at it, and we ended up doing a full addition on the back of the house on the lakeside. At the same time, they came and did our whole deck. They did 2 separate levels of deck. It added a ton of living space, and it's awesome. The whole process with Renaissance was smooth. We chose a composite deck with aluminum railings. We wanted something that would last, and these composite decks and the material, they last a long time, so it worked out really good. Renaissance is a very well-respected company in town, and they've been around for a long time. They got awesome people that work for them, all the way down to their contractors, to the owners of the company. Everybody cares, and it shows in their work, and I would recommend them to anybody, whether it's getting a new deck, getting an addition on your house, remodeling your kitchen, finishing your basement. Renaissance is the way to go.